Boys and girls, you are going to blend sounds together to make words. When I touch underneath the first letter, you're going to say its sound, and then you're going to blend it together to make the words. Okay? Don't stop blending the sounds. Do it continuously. That's very important. Okay? And then when I slide my finger under the word, you're going to say the word. Okay? I'm going to model the first two for you. My turn. Blend. It. Word. Sit. Blend. Add. Word. Mad. Your turn, guys. Ready? Blend. Word. Blend. Word. Good job. Blend. Word. Good. Blend. Word. Blend. Word. Blend. Word. Blend. Word. Good. Blend. Word. Good. Blend. Word. Blend. Word. Blend. Word. Good. Now we have to remember, guys, this is very, very important. There are stop sounds where you just say the sound by itself, or when it says continuous, you hold that sound longer. Like in this. This would be a hold sound. I would say blend, and you go, see how I'm holding that? It. Word. Sit. Okay? This is our stop sound. That's why I'm putting my finger underneath the letter. It. Word. Hit. Okay, that's very important for you guys to remember that for me, my great group of students.